I look like I have places to be and people to see.
He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us.
Jessie's wig blowout curtain bang. So as you can see, curtain bang here. The curls are very soft, effortless. I like that because I'm not a fan of perfect hair. The wig itself is 20 inches, very cute, very professional. I like that the parting is already done for us. Pre-cut, pre-plucked 7x5. I have the elastic band in the back, which is keeping it very secure. I'm not using any of the combs, but there are 3 at the nape. And if I give you a little shake, baby, is secure, very, very secure. So this is exactly how it looks straight out of the box. On my right side, you can see I have a little puffiness, which is fine. That could be from travel. We're gonna hot comb that down. I think for right out the box, it looks really good. It feels good. I'm very happy with how secure it is. My braids underneath are puffy, but I still feel like it looks very flat and natural. The color is dark, so if you like a jet black look, this is like a jet black look. Since the wig does fit so good, we're going to leave it glueless, but I am going to do a little bit of work on the bang and the part, so it should be very easy. We got the hot comb heating up. This is my first time trying Jessie's wig, and my first impression, I am impressed. It feels very smooth, buttery. It is dark, so if you like jet black hair, you wouldn't have to do anything to this. And I'm gonna add my concealer. I got concealer on my hand. I'm just gonna dab into it with my little brush. Just a small detailing eyeshadow brush. Really any brush that's straight will do. And then I'm gonna go right in the part to make it more brown skin friendly. Okay, so in the very front, I'm gonna just pull whatever I can from the middle. I'm not gonna add any new. And you see how it's like really light right there? I'm gonna go get my foundation brush that I put this foundation on with, and I'm gonna add a little bit of that here. My neighbor smoking cigarettes is really bothering me. Wax stick. I really do not like wax sticks. I don't know. It's just maybe I haven't found a good one, but look at that. Look at this. I'm gonna put this wax on my finger instead. Take the hot comb. More for this area in the back that looks humpy. Comb it down. And put my clip back in. I'm gonna put it at an angle. This side is gonna be easy because, as you can see, it wasn't really puffy to begin with, but since this one has the wax stick, it's gonna look glossy, and then this side look dull, so we're just gonna match them up. What did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but Nice and flat. Alright, I think that'll do it. Next thing is going to be the curl on the bang. I'm going to use this Conair, I think this is a 3-inch curler. Holding it under. Ah, touch my forehead. Don't do that. Curl. Stay here. Pull it up. And that's it. Oh, I just burnt my forehead. Oh, I hope I don't get a... Alright, so I'm going to comb this out, but not right now. I'm going to let it cool like a couple seconds. You could leave it like this, but I'm going to show you a second way to style the bang that has a little more drama. So I have sectioned off the bang on both sides. So I put my Jessie's wig band on to keep the wig in place while I curl it. Take the hair, I'm going to pull it straight up, and then I'm going to take the curler, the same curler, and curl back.
I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much.
I like this curler, but sometimes it just randomly turns off.
Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me.
Nice and pretty, and then you can play around with it.
Everything for you, I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind?
So you can, much like the bang, you can go in and add some curls to the length to give it some more body. But I'm going to leave mine just like this. I look like I have places to be and people to see. So now let me show you half up, half down. I'm going to clip it. So actually I'm going to go like to the end of the part. I decided to do half up, half down with the scrunchie because the scrunchie gives it a little more volume. Since most of this curl is at the bottom and it is 180 density, we needed a little bit of a boost. I do like half up, half down. I also like it up with like the little overflow, and I like it down. But you've seen from the beginning it was fairly easy. Glueless, take it out the box. For the most part, you can go. I will link this wig from Jessie's wig in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.